What's up, guys? Zach from Finance Pro here, and today we are going to be talking about the best website to use to help you trade stock options in 2024. Let's get into the video. So we'll get into the website in just a second, go over an overview of it and how you're going to be using it. But before we get into that, do want to mention you guys can join our Discord where we trade stock options daily. All you have to do is go ahead and click the first link in our description. You're going to be able to come over here, join our almost 17,000 member Discord. Use press accept invite, create an account if you have to. And then if you guys want to get our daily buy and sell alerts, live alerts, then you can go ahead and click this third link in the description, upgrade chat. You'll connect your Discord to upgrade chat and then go ahead and get a premium monthly membership or premium yearly. But if you're watching this YouTube video, you use code YouTube, we're going to give you $25 per month off of our premium monthly membership, so you'll only be paying about $54 a month. So if you guys want to, go ahead and take advantage of that. But anyways, let's go into what the website is. So it's going to be FinViz. I talked about this before on the channel, but I want to do a bit more of an overview of how you use it on the day-to-day and why it's so good to use. So my flow every day starts out by looking at SPY on the charts and seeing how we're doing. So, say at the end of the day here, we had a pretty sideways trading day, slightly up, and say we started below 529 on Monday or tomorrow in this instance. I don't know when this video will exactly come out, but let's say that we started below a support line here. I would then come to FinViz and I would see, hey, how is the overall market doing? We have the Russell 2000, so some more smaller cap stocks. We got the S&P 500, NASDAQ, and Dow. How are we doing as a whole? So I'll get a whole view of that. And then second, I'll come to the heat map. And the heat map is going to show us, hey, which industries are kind of pulling the market down, which ones are keeping the market up. And I will try to find an industry that is doing similar to how the market as a whole is doing. So say the market was red in the morning, we're past the support, we think it's going to continue going down. I would go ahead and take a look at maybe this sector of the technology. AMD is not doing too well, and Intel is not doing too well. Or we could even look over here at PFE, although Lilly is doing pretty well. So this is a pretty sideways market that we're looking at. Normally you're going to have a lot, say the whole energy sector is going to be light red. That's probably what I would go ahead and look at. And then the last thing that I would look at with FinViz is major news. So say we see NVIDIA has some major news come up. We would go and research why that is. And if it's negative, we would go ahead and find a stock within the tech sector that is not doing too well, sort of like AMD here. And then we would start our technical analysis on AMD. So that's pretty much how the flow works. You want to start out in your technical analysis with SPY, make a determination which way you think the market's going. Then you're going to come here, check how the overall market is doing, find a sector that is doing the same as you think that your technical analysis tells you. Go ahead and research different stocks within that sector, and then don't go with just the stock that is on the major news like NVIDIA, because that's going to have a very high IV. And as soon as that's over with, you're going to be kind of left without the IV to help you out. So I would go with something such as AMD that doesn't have a lot of news coming out on it right now. They're not on this list, but NVIDIA could be pulling them down, and they're not going to have such a high IV that's going to bite you in the butt later. So that's how I would go about kind of using FinViz in your daily routine. It's something I do every single day, and I don't only trade off of this. I have my certain stocks I like to trade, such as Bank of America. I made a video on that. Starbucks, CVS, Chevron, AMD is one of them, Tesla, AMC, Chewy. I do have my stocks I like to look at, but I'll definitely go to FinViz to see if I see anything sticking out. So definitely add this to your workflow, guys. But just again, make sure that you guys join this Discord right here and get our premium buy and sell alerts. Use code YouTube to get $25 off premium monthly, and that should help you guys out a ton, and you can start getting our buy and sell alerts. So thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.